This exceptionally silky black obsidian pendant showcases the sacred geometry of the Star of David, masterfully hand-cut by the renowned lapidary artist from King's Crystals. Each crystal is approached with intention and love, infused with positive energy before the first cut is even made. Set in high-quality, tarnish-resistant argentium sterling silver, this pendant may be petite in size, but it radiates powerful energy. Obsidian is known for its grounding properties, aligning with the root chakra to help clear and stabilize your auric field from negativity. The addition of sterling silver enhances this connection, amplifying your intuitive and emotional awareness while surrounding you in the energy of love, compassion, and patience. Every detail in this piece reflects authentic craftsmanship, intentionally aligned with the crystal-cutting principles of Marcel Vogel. Let this pendant be your protective and empowering daily companion.